Hey guys, so I'm heading to the kitchen. Why, you might ask? Because this morning the hubby mentioned that he felt for some type of bean salad of sorts, and so I figured why not make one? So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Do I know how to make a bean salad though? No ma'am, but we're gonna do it today. All right, so let's get into the ingredients real fast, quick and in a hurry. It's pretty simple based on my research, so we're gonna attempt it. So starting with the beans that I'm using, and I'm using canned beans for this bean salad. I'm using black bean, I'm using garbanzo beans, otherwise known as chickpeas, and I am using a 3-bean salad. Yes, a bean salad. And I am using red kidney beans. All right, so let's get rinsing. We're going to rinse them off and then start the process of assembling these along with our fresh ingredients. All right, so we have the 3 beans that are already washed, well rinsed, yeah. And so we're gonna move on to our other ingredient. So I'm gonna be dicing up a piece of this cucumber. Yes, this will be a nice fresh ingredient to add in addition to the beans. So I'm gonna just cut those up right now. Right now. Right now. So I'm gonna be adding this cucumber. Yes, it is a nice fresh ingredient to go along and pair nicely with the beans. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cube those into, small pieces so I could add them. So one ingredient that you want to add to any salad is your red onion. Guys, if you've never had red onions, you might want to definitely try it because the flavor in this is just nice and fresh. It's not overwhelming. It just gives it a nice, amazing taste, and it will add a nice crunch and crispiness to the salad. All right, so let me dice these up also and add them to the bunch. Okay, so it's time to start assembling the salad, and I'm just adding the ingredients: the chickpeas, the red kidney beans, the black beans, oops, come here boy, our cucumbers, and the onions. All right, so this is pretty much the sum total of my ingredients. I'm going to also be adding, however, some parsley, and it will give it a nice flavor, nice spicy flavor to the salad. So I'm going to be adding some of that. I will just chop it up really quick and then dump it in the bowl. Adding my chopped parsley. I'm thinking of adding some golden beets. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think the golden beets would go well? I don't know. All right, so once we're done with that, you just need to toss it. So I'm gonna use 2 spoons to just toss everything together. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. No man. Yeah, so nice. Remember me tell you. This looks exactly like some of the salads that I see them selling in Whole Food for arm and a leg. See how easy? See how quick? I mean, if you have the option to cook the beans from scratch, if you don't want to use canned beans, but unfortunately, the time doesn't permit today. So, quick and easy bean salad. We're going to be moving on to the dressing, which I don't know what it's going to be, but I'll wait till the hubby comes and see if he wants to go ahead and use the store-bought dressing or if he wants to get creative and make some dressing, because he's great at that. But this is it. And the longer this sits, you guys, the more the onion flavor, marry with the other ingredients, and it just, mwah, so good. Anyway, this is it for now. We will be right back. Don't go nowhere. So I decided to go with the zesty Italian dressing. Yeah, because I like the ingredients in there. It has a garlicky vibe to it. So it should be good for this particular salad. So I'm just going to drizzle.
Good and garlicky. Looks good.
And this would be nice with some dried cranberry,
Yes.
Let me see if I find some dried cranberry, guys. Hold up. Wait a minute. All right, I got in the dried berries. Yeah, so this is gonna add an element of sweetness to the salad too, which will be great to, make sure you have all the flavors, the savory, the sour, the sweet, the salty. Oh, savory is salty. Haha. Yeah, so mix everything together with the dressing and all of that. Guys, this is a nice afternoon or evening substitute for rice. Right, babe? Yep, I like it. I like it. And it smells absolutely divine. All right, so the dinner has been plated. We're just drizzling a little garlic aioli over top the bean salad. And we are serving it up with some fried chicken breast slices. Yeah, nice good dinner.
Look good.
Nice local protein rich dinner.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very proteiny. You have to put the onion rings on it?
Yeah. And we have some French fried onions. That's where you add a little bit of
That one is too
crispy,
big. Let me take
crunchy.
that one. Too big.
Oh. Add some crispy crunchiness to your salad.
And we have more stuff to add. More stuff.
More fire. More stuff.
Some delicious peppers. That they look hot, smell hot, but they don't taste hot.
Okay. So they have the flavor of pepper.
The flavor of Scotch bonnet, but not
the taste.
the taste.
Awesome.
And then add to your salad. Very, make it very salady.
Nice. I like it.
That's yours. Let's go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. But I already told them I made it for you though. Why is it mine?
Sure. Because you're cute. The salad is cute for cute people. Let's go.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching today's video. We will catch you on our next one on Yardie TV. Mmm.